Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is GlamPreezy and yes, it's been a while, okay? 2020 has not been it. But today I have a bomb ass review for you on these color contact lenses that I discovered and have been wearing for a little while now. They are for dark eyes, okay? And they suit dark skin. So they have colors of all kinds. They have browns, blues, greens, grays, anything you can think of and everything in between. And especially now that it is October, they have some great special effects and Halloween contact lenses for you. And this video is sponsored by them. Thank you so much to Ttdeye for sending me these contact lenses. However, this has not been my first time wearing them. I have actually had the pleasure of purchasing these contacts myself before I had anything to do with this contact lens company, as well as my sister's purchased contacts from this company, and we both love this company very much. And I always keep it 100, so you have nothing to worry about. Again, the company's name is Ttdeye. That stands for the third eye. Their customer service is exceptional. Shipping times are bomb. The quality is bomb, and the prices are super affordable. So if you want some contact lenses to enhance your eyes, enhance your makeup looks, or just switch things up now that we gotta wear masks 24/7, stay tuned. To zoom in a little bit, obviously, because we're about to get into it. But first things first, I just want to let you know that on the screen I will have my affiliate code. If you would like to order these contacts, please use my code to get some money off, girl. Save some coin. Okay, now a couple things that I wanted to get into before we even start this video. There are some really important things that you need to know about these contacts. Firstly, they recommend that you take them out of the packaging that they come in and soak them in new solution for at least 6 hours before wearing them. Secondly, and even more importantly, always make sure that your hands are clean before you touch your eyeballs and anything that goes into your eyes. So if my hands are ashy, girl, okay, I'm just trying to make sure I don't get no pink eye up in here. All right. They also recommend cleaning and changing out your solution for your contacts every 2 to 3 days. I don't know. I clean mine and change out my solution every single time that I wear them. But if you are a daily wearer of them, definitely make sure that you get in there every 2 to 3 days and like clean them and change out your solution. Next, obviously, don't sleep in your lenses. Take them out before you go to sleep. The other thing that they recommend is that you insert the lenses before putting on any makeup and taking them out before you clean your makeup off your face. They are yearly disposable contacts. They're HD and they're perfect for filming and for pictures. So if you want to get some hot pics on Instagram or you do YouTube, these would be perfect for your videos because they are made in such a way that they're super high definition for filming. They are also FDA approved, UV blocking, okay? And they also come in prescription as well as zero power in case you are blind like I used to be. Definitely check that out when you're ordering. They do have the drop downs for the different prescription. I would recommend getting an eye exam first and then going onto their website to select your proper prescription. This is the box that they sent it to me in. Now, obviously, if you are not ordering as many contacts as I have, and today I have 4 pairs, you would get a smaller box, but they all are similar to this, which is super cute and fun. Always makes your purchase feel a little bit better. So let's start off with amber brown. This is the packaging. Looks like this. This is the back of the packaging, and I think it's super cute that they have a picture of what the lens looks like on the box as well, just in case you ordered a bunch and you've separated it from its packaging. Each of your contacts will come with a plastic container like this. I think this is super convenient, not only for travel, but if you do have a bunch of contact lenses, this helps you stay super organized. Inside this packaging, you get 3 things. You get the contact lens case itself. You get these little tweezers with a rubber tip to pick them up, and you get a little suction cup, I'm assuming, to pick this up and insert it into the eye if you have nails like myself. So this is the amber brown in both eyes. And obviously, especially for my dark skinned girls, if you are not wearing makeup, sometimes contact lenses tend to be a little bit striking at first. You do have to kind of get used to them. So I wanted to give you a quick tip on how to know whether your contact is in the right position to put it in your eye. It was a little difficult to show you, but as you can see, the contact has folded in on itself. You would start with a contact in your hand open, and then you would drop solution into the contact until it starts to fold in on itself, almost like a burrito. That's how you know which side is the right side to put it into your eye. So at this point, you would just take it onto your finger and then pop it into your eye. I hope that makes sense. In other words, if it doesn't fold in on itself when you have a lot of solution dropping into it, then it's probably on the wrong side. Next up is Mermaid Tears Brown. These are definitely a little thicker than the last ones, but they are comfortable. They are around the same color. However, these have like a little blue kind of splotches. I don't know how else to describe that, but they do have like this light kind of effect in some areas. So you'll see that kind of bluish. They kind of give off like a hazel vibe. Let me know down below in the comments which ones are your favorites so far. So next up we have Iris Green. Again, this is the contact one by itself and my natural eye for comparison. That's a pretty huge difference. And I really like these because honestly, some green contacts have the tendency to make you look reptilian, and I don't think these give off that look actually. So pretty. I love these actually. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. The first, second, or the third Iris Green. And last, but certainly not least, we have Real India. Again, here we go with one eye in and one eye not in. These are definitely the most striking ones out of the bunch, hands down, but I think I love them. Ooh, yes. And even though these are like the most striking out of the bunch, I think they're the most comfortable. Not that the others were not comfortable, but I literally don't even feel these in my eyes. They're blue with kind of like a grayish hazel inner ring there. There we go. Yeah. These are icy, honey. I love. But I honestly don't feel that they're so bright that they're, I mean, we know they're not natural looking, but I've tried contacts that were super bright. They made me look like a White Walker. I think for sure, hands down, out of the 4 that I tried on for you guys today, that this is my favorite pair. But I like crazy, you know, I can't help it. I like impact, you know. Keep in mind that there are hundreds of styles, of sizes, and of prescriptions on Ttdeye for you to select from. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. Thank you so much again to Ttdeye for sending me out these contacts to share with you all. I really enjoy every pair that I tried on. However, as I mentioned, there are hundreds of colors and sizes on their website for you to try out. If you do decide to cop a pair, please use my code GlamPreezy and save yourself some coin, girl, because You know, 2020 ain't been friendly to all of us, all right? My affiliate link is in the description box below. Please let me know down below in the comments which was your favorite pair. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Real India, my favorite pair. If you guys have any questions or comments, of course, leave them down below. If you found this video helpful at all, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.